Welcome to Sub YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're watching our channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, in our today's video, we are going to share with you how to get paid 10 instant paying survey site instant cash guide. Okay, the first one here in our list we have is called idleempire.com. Okay, here you earn points via surveys, over walls, offers, videos, referrals, and promotion. Then the second one here we have is called rewarding ways. Okay, rewarding ways here is only for Americans and is restricted for other locations. Like Nigerians, you are not eligible to do this. Okay, said here you are not accepted to register from your country. Okay, do not accept registration from your country. Okay, then now another one here we have that is for Nigeria because I'm doing this video from Nigeria. Okay, what you need to do here is just to join free from other location. Your own location wherever you are may be accepted, but for Nigerians, no. Okay, then another one we have in our list is called Enably. Enably here you earn a free gift card from here. What you need to do, you sign in with Google, sign up with Facebook, or sign up with PayPal. Okay, here is also acceptable, but they will be telling you if you want to sign up here, depending on your country, but for Nigerians is no. Okay, another one here we have is called uh InstaGC. InstaGC here is generally acceptable. So digital gift card received instantly. So you earn money here doing survey online. Your online activities, you redeem your points for gift cards. Okay, you earned watching videos, completing surveys, shopping online, searching the web. You get paid with InstaGC. Okay, we also have another one here called Rewards One. Rewards One. Don't worry about the URL. The URL will be available on the video description. So on the video description, you see the URL of this 10 instant paying survey sites. An instant catch guide is what we are giving to you right now. Okay, here you do surveys and get paid. And for trying new products, from trying new products, playing mobile games, and watching videos too. So that's how you get paid. You take surveys, engage online offers in PayPal's, Amazon, Visa, Bitcoin, and more. Instant cash out at around 3. Instant cash out here is at round 3 here at Rewards One. What you need to do is to sign up or continue with Google or sign up with your email and join the platform. Okay, another one we have here is called Paid Viewpoints. Paid Viewpoint here is also legit. All of them here I'm giving to you, they are legit platform. Okay, not like others. These ones are well tested. So paid viewpoints to come here, you play demo, you can register or you log in, then you review some product and you get paid. Okay, another one here we have is called Survey Time. Survey Time.io here, you will be paid instantly by instant paying survey site. Is also an instant paying survey site. I beg your pardon. Get instantly reward with $1 for every survey you complete. Paid survey on demand. So you can get started or start now by registering with your email and you confirm the email, then get started. Instant payment via PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, gift card as well. Okay, you can cash out in different format. Okay, another one we have in our list is called superpay.me. Superpay.me is another good legit platform. You can also earn via survey, make money online, get paid for surveys, claim your free join bonus as well. If you sign up with this, their payment format is PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, and Wise. These are the payment formats available for superpay.me. Then another one we have in our list is called Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie here is restricted for Nigerian location. Sorry, said you have been blocked from you are unable to access surveyjunkie.com from your location. That is to say, your own location may be favorable, like the most preferred location is Canada and US, okay, for the junkie, I beg your pardon. So your own location may be favorable for you to do this survey. It's a very legit platform. Okay, the last but not the least in our list is called freecash.com. Free cash here, you also earn instantly. It's a platform that pays uh, instantly with the reward. They will reward you based on what you do, get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. So they are legit. You can review any app or test app and get paid. You see here, they say TikTok is $2. Then to do Nice Dream is $24. Then Netflix is $5. So any of this app you review, you will get paid. It says start earning now. Okay, it said sign up with Stream and you can sign up with Google. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please, we want you to subscribe, not to unsubscribe. Subscribe because when you subscribe, you'll be receiving our news notification day by day. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.